Hello everyone, here is your daily stock market update for 6th July 2026. The Indian stock markets ended on a positive note today. The Nifty 50 index advanced by 159.50 points to close at 24,430.35. The BSE Sensex advanced by 521.16 points to close at 78,285.07. And the Nifty Bank advanced by 353 points to close at 58,291.50. Among the Nifty sectoral indices, media, PSU Bank and IT closed in the red, while all other sectors closed in the green. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index: HDFC Bank, Hindalco, ONGC, Bajaj Auto and Mahindra. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index: Kotak Mahindra Bank, Max Healthcare, TCS, Coal India and Bajaj Finserv. On the NSE, 3,462 stocks were active during the day. Out of these, 1,578 advanced while 1,769 declined. 115 stocks closed unchanged. Let us take a look at market news. Adani Defence and Aerospace will invest 2,500 crore rupees to build South Asia's largest private sector missile manufacturing ecosystem in Shivpuri, creating India's first backward integrated private missile production facility. The project will generate 5,000 jobs, strengthen indigenous missile production for the Indian Armed Forces, and support the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. ICICI Bank has signed a letter of undertaking with Prudential Corporation Holdings for its proposed 75% acquisition of Bharti Life, temporarily limiting Prudential's voting and board rights at ICICI Prudential Life, with no impact on ICICI Bank's management, subject to regulatory approvals. HDFC Bank reported strong Q1 fiscal year 2027 business growth, with advances rising 15.4% year-on-year to 30.61 lakh crore rupees and total deposits increasing 14.7% year-on-year to 31.71 lakh crore rupees as of June 30, 2026. Steady growth in CASA deposits and robust loan expansion indicate healthy business momentum ahead of the bank's Q1 fiscal year 2027 financial results. Axis Bank reported a strong Q1 fiscal year 2027 business update, with gross advances rising 18.8% year-on-year to 12.73 lakh crore rupees and total deposits growing 18.2% to 13.73 lakh crore rupees. Term deposits led the growth with a 22.8% jump, while the bank said the figures are provisional and subject to a limited review by its statutory auditors. Kotak Mahindra Bank posted a steady Q1 fiscal year 2027 business update, with net advances rising 15.1% year-on-year to 5.12 lakh crore rupees and total deposits growing 11.7% year-on-year to 5.73 lakh crore rupees. The figures are provisional and subject to auditor review. State Bank of India will recruit 1,500 probationary officers this year, including 1,446 regular and 54 backlog vacancies. The application deadline is July 8th. With the recruitment process expected to conclude by December, eligible candidates must be graduates aged 21 years or above as of April 1st, 2026. This concludes today's market update. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.